Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Explore on Cycle. In this video, I am going to guide you how you can reach Princess Island, best time to visit, what activities to do, how you can rent a cycle and at what cost. Stay tuned with the channel and watch it till the end. Regular ferries run throughout the day from Istanbul to the Princess Island. The ferries are accessible from many ports, but we took ferry from Eminönü. The ferry is safe and will take around 75 minutes to reach the island. In between, you can also admire 3 to 4 islands. Buy the tickets from the window and hop on the ferry. We got the last moment ferry. We got really lucky. Princess Islands are a cluster of beautiful islands in the Asian coast of Istanbul. It has become one of the most famous tourist spots for a nice and peaceful trip. Since the only modes of transportation on these islands are horse carts and bicycles, it will take you back to the old days. The other vehicles are strictly prohibited. Best time to visit the island is during the month from April to October. At this time, the islands are comparatively less crowded and you will easily get ferry rides. During winters, the harsh climate can make it difficult for anyone to travel through waters, and that is why the place remains deserted at the same time. There are so many activities that you can do on this island. First, indulge yourself in the local food. Of course, you will love Turkish food. Second, cycle your way around the islands and go mansion hunting. Visit the beautiful gardens with the children and have a picnic. Dig into their best seafood. I'm sure you will love the fish restaurants there. They are very extraordinary. Worship at the Aya Yorgi Church. And yeah, don't forget to visit the sacred church at the hilltop.
Bike rent? Sorry? 30 for 1 hour? Okay. Hi. How much is the bike rent? Bike, yep. This one maybe.
Arabic?
Sorry?
Arabic?
For no. Indian. English, yes, English.
1 hour?
1 hour?
15.
50.
Yes.
And we can take any bike? Any bike? 1 hour 50 lira. That's pretty expensive, huh?
I am Turkish.
No, that's okay then.
We saw almost everyone hopping and exploring on cycle. Being a regular rider in India, I was intimidated by the place. After inquiring at few places, we finally took cycle on rent, for which we paid 40 Turkish lira per hour. There were other shops as well who offered 25 Turkish lira. My sister actually got lucky with that, but by that time we already rented out. We cycled around only for 45 minutes. We didn't have enough time to explore the church and the hilltop as we had our last ferry to catch. The last ferry was at 8 p.m. and we reached Istanbul Eminönü port at 9:30 p.m. We totally enjoyed the tour and we were completely exhausted by the end of the day. The cost of ferry is 35 liras per person, one side. Hope I have given you enough information on the Princess Island. If you have any questions, feel free to comment in the box. And I really hope that you enjoyed watching the video. And if you did, I'm sure you will not forget to hit the button like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching the video.